how to reset the infotainment system on a 2025 Hyundai Sonata. You're going to want to do this if you want to just delete all of the profiles on here and delete all of the Bluetooth pairings. You can do them in all that stuff individually, but you can also just do it all in one fell swoop, and all your phones that are paired, all your settings, all your users and everything like that will all be wiped off. And by the way, you can also delete an individual user by this basically same basic process. So anyways, very easy to do. What we're going to do, we're going to do it from the infotainment system. We want to get to this screen here. If we're not at this screen already, we can just come down and hit the setup menu, and the setup menu will pop up this setup menu here. And from there, we're going to select general. And then from general, we're going to select reset. And then from reset, we're going to select reset all, and then reset. And then it's going to ask you to confirm. It's going to tell you it's going to delete all the settings and everything like that. And then once you do that, it will wipe everything off, and you will be able to set this up like it's a brand new infotainment system. So anyways, if this video helped, if you'd leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.